Hello Denmark. My name is Dr. Petteri Viljakainen and I am bringing my 2-day anterior composite hands-on course to Copenhagen next March. I am an accredited member of both the American and British Academies of Cosmetic Dentistry and hopefully in March also a fellow member of the AACD. What I do every day is minimally or non-invasive cosmetic dentistry using anterior composite restorations combined with short-term ortho with Invisalign. The modern composite materials are different than what we had 10 years ago, and I think so should be the courses we are offering to the dentists. The need to layer composite material with multiple shades is becoming less relevant because the modern composite materials, they blend perfectly in with just using 1 or 2 shades. In this course, you will learn that what I have found are the best techniques for different indications that you will face when treating anterior teeth with composite restorations. From class 4s to composite edge bonding to diastemas to composite veneers. And you will also learn about different instruments that will make your life easier. This course is perfect for you if you are a young dentist still trying to find your way on how to get started with minimally invasive cosmetic dentistry. If you are a more experienced dentist, you should see this course as an opportunity to learn new tips and tricks and get new ideas for your anterior composite work. So, hope to see you all in Copenhagen next March. Take care. See you there.